What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now today we're going to do the review and unboxing of these sticker mount. Now these sticker mount basically can go on the back of your phone if you're going to mount it on any power supply. For example, in my car right here, as you can see, I have this power supply right here, which is wireless charging, which can charge my phone, which can basically stick on here. Now sometimes I want to use it, but I don't want to basically scratch my phone when I basically place it under right there. So these are what we are going to use to basically prevent that. And these are some stickers that you can basically see inside this package. We have a lot of them in here, and we basically have 2 of each. I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see basically how them look. As you can see guys, these are all the stickers that come inside, and it basically comes with the 3M tape onto the back right here, which can basically mount onto your phone very easily. So I'm going to just peel off one of these stickers right now and mount it on my phone and stick it up to my wireless charging and show you guys basically how it works. As you can see guys, I've now peeled off the sticker right here, the M3 tape. I'm just going to paste it on my phone right here. I'm not going to paste it exactly on my phone itself. I'm just going to post it outside on the case. I just like to keep it outside in case if I want to remove it in the future. So basically I'm going to place it right here. So I'm going to post it right here in the middle. Somewhere right here. Right, so as you can see, paste right here, pretty perfect. Now I'm going to just hook it right now onto my power supply right here, and it should stick on quite fine. So guys, as you can see, I have it right here on my case. So this basically has a magnetism inside it right here. So if I basically can put this onto it right here, you can see that it is stuck quite fine, which is really great. Just gonna put my phone back inside right now and try it out, let you guys see. All right guys, I'm gonna test it now onto it right here. So I'm gonna hook it up. As you can basically see, it fit quite fine on it right there. Perfect. I can basically release it off without having any problem. So I can charge my phone while it's right here inside my car, which is really great. And this is how it basically works. So as you can see guys, I have a lot of them inside right here in case if I need to change this one right here, which works really great. We have a lot of them that come inside. So hope you guys find this video very helpful, and thank you guys for watching.